Hello guys, hope you all are doing good. So I recently saw some videos on YouTube on how you can clean your crystals, and one of the most readily available acid to me was oxalic acid. Therefore I ordered this product from Amazon, and let's see how this works. I surfed Amazon and this was one of the good products that I've got. It's from Weird, where rare is common. I have also included a link in description. So I already have some quartz crystals that I will be using oxalic acid on. So as you see, there's a lot of iron deposition on these crystals, the red thing that you can see on the screen. And it is said that oxalic acid can clean all the iron from these crystals, and that's what we are checking today. So let's see how this goes. And you can see some really good crystals that I have collected, and this was given to me by one of my really good friends. This looks like an agate, but is very good quartz. And these are some small specimens that I have collected from Pune itself. So yeah, this was one of the very nice ones that I have, and the small cluster also with some blue inclusions on it. So let's see how this thing comes out. This is one of my very favorite ones. So you'll be shocked to see how all these crystals come up once they are clean. We have taken some warm water in a bucket so that it doesn't overspills when we put the crystals in it. Using some oxalic acid now, and we'll drop this into the water once we take a preferred measurable amount. So let's see how does it react when we put this in water. Some more was needed. Now let us give it some good shake, and we can put our crystals into it one by one. Keep in mind you should wear your gloves and something to protect your eyes as well, because it is acid, so you shouldn't use your bare hands. Let's keep this overnight and we'll see what has the acid done to our crystals after 24 hours. Let's check if the acid has done anything to our crystals. As you can see, there's a lot of yellowness in the water, which means the acid is removing all the iron depositions from the crystals. We'll keep it overnight once again, and after 36 hours we see it has removed almost most of the iron from the crystals. We'll separate the acidic water and crystals and give the crystals a good wash with normal water. You can see all the dirt and the yellowness from the acidic water. See, the acid has fairly removed all the iron stains from most of the rocks, and some of them have turned very beautiful, as you can see this rock specifically. We'll now add some baking soda to the crystals, to the rocks, so it removes all the excess amount of acid if there is anything present in the rocks, and we let it settle for a while. And this is how it looks after keeping it for 4 hours. And now let's see how our crystals have turned up. Do let us know with your opinions and suggestions. Thank you for watching this video, and please like this if you have enjoyed it, and also consider subscribing if you're new to this channel. Thank you so much.